Let's study very short answer type questions. Question 1. Define word wrap. Answer. Word wrap is a word processing feature that forces all text to be confined within defined margins. Question 2. Define alignment. Answer. Alignment is a term used to describe how text is placed on the screen in relation to the margin. Question 3. What do you mean by autocorrect? Answer. Autocorrect is an automatic data validation function commonly found in word processors and text editing interfaces. And copying. Answer. Copying means to make a duplicate of a document or file. Question 5. Define moving. Answer. Moving means to remove the original text from its position and paste in another place. Question 6. Why filters are used in MS Excel? Answer. Filters can be used in Excel to retain some particular records as visible on the Excel sheet. 7. What do you mean by sorting? Answer. Sorting basically helps in arrangement of data in the correct order. Question 8. How a new presentation can be created? Answer. A new presentation can be created by launching PowerPoint or by pressing New from the Office button. Question 9. What do you understand by the term slide layout? Answer. The slide layout is the arrangement of elements on the slide with which the slide is available. Let's study short answer type questions. Question 1. Explain the role of text editing in MS Word. Answer. Text editing plays a significant role in MS Word as it has the ability to change the text by adding, deleting, rearranging letters, sentences and paragraphs. Text editing is the main feature that users perform in word processor, which typically also handle graphics and multimedia files. Question 2. What are the alignments available in a Word document? Answer. In a Word document, there are 4 types of alignments which are used to describe how text is placed on the screen in relation to the margins. These are the types of alignments: left align, the text is aligned with the left margin. Right align, the text is aligned with the right margin. Center align, the text is equally aligned on either side of central vertical line. Justify, the text is aligned to both of left and right margins. Question 3. Define formulas and functions. Answer. Formulas and functions. Formula always start with an equal to sign, happy smiley. Functions, on the other hand, are predefined formulas in Excel. Both formulas and functions make the tasks easier. Like for instance, if you have entered numbers in adjacent cells as 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 15, 21. You can easily calculate the sum of all these cells by is equal to sum A1, 8. Question 4. What are the steps of saving spreadsheet in various formats? Answer. The steps of saving spreadsheet in various formats are discussed below. 1. First click on Office button. 2. Click on Save As option. 3. From the Save As dialog box, click on Save As type and choose from one of many options to save the file. 4. Choose the location for the file to be saved in from the left pane, if required. 5. Give same name to the file and click on Save. Question 5. What are the distinct features of presentation software? Answer. The distinct features of presentation software are as follows. 1. Inserting clip art and images in the presentation software. We can add pictures with the help of Clip Art Gallery. We may also insert picture located on the computer into any slide. 2. Slide transition. It is one of the effects of PowerPoint presentation. When one slide changes into other, a transition may show up if you have applied one. 3. Custom animation. The custom animation command is a part of the animations tab in PowerPoint 2007. Various animation effects can be applied to the elements of a slide. Let's study long answer type questions. Question 1. Explain the features of word processor in detail. Answer. The features of word processor are discussed below. 1. Inserting table. This feature is available across all the software part of the MS Office 2007. In MS Word, it is inserted on the document quite easily. A table of the chosen dimensions will be added to the document. 2. Text editing. It is the main feature that users perform in word processor, which typically also handle graphics and multimedia files. 3. Word wrap. It is a word processing feature that forces all text to be confined within defined margins. 4. Header and footer. A header is the top margin of each page and a footer is the bottom margin of each page. They are useful in large number of documents. 5. Autocorrect. It is an automatic data validation function commonly found in word processors and text editing interfaces. 6. Bullets and numbering. Bullets and numbering is a paragraph-level attribute that applies as bullet character or a numeral to the start of a paragraph. Find and replace. It helps you to find words or formats in a document and can let you replace all instances of a word or format. Question to explain the features of spreadsheet application or MS Excel in detail. Answer. The features of spreadsheet application or MS Excel are as follows. 1. Filter and sorting. An important feature of MS Excel is to filter the data. The simplest filter of Excel is the filter and other is advanced filter. In advanced filter, detailed rules are specified as a part of spreadsheet cells. Sorting helps in arrangement of data in the correct order. To sort the data, we must select the entire data that we want to sort. 2. Formulas and functions. Formula always starts with an equal to sign, happy smiley. It is one of the distinct features of MS Excel. Functions, on the other hand, are predefined formulas in Excel. Both formula and functions make the tasks easier. 3. Resizing fonts and styles. To resize fonts and styles, click on Home tab Font Group. The method of modifying the font attributes is identical to that in Word. Another way of resizing the worksheet is part of the status bar called Zoom option. Using this control, you may zoom the size of the cells in the worksheet.